Hey everyone, welcome to Prosperous Life Finance, where I help educate you in becoming a better trader and investor so that you can create consistently profitable trades. In this video, we'll be looking at the RSI indicator. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. In case you guys are wondering, I'm using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform, but this indicator is going to work with any platform that you have. So first of all, what is the RSI? So the RSI is a relative strength indicator, which is a momentum indicator. And it's also known as an oscillator, and it just measures the relative internal strength of a stock, commodity, ETF, forex currency, or whatever asset you are trading against itself, which will essentially tell you if an asset is considered overbought or oversold. So in order to add the RSI indicator, all you do is go up here to studies, edit studies, and then search up RSI. So once you click it, you could go ahead and adjust it here and go into the settings. So we can see by default that it has a 14 period. So we're going to go ahead and leave that. And the overbought is going to be at 70 and the oversold will be at 30. So this is all default numbers, and that's what we're going to go with, as this is traditionally what most traders and investors use. So we're going to go ahead and click OK and then add that. And as we can see, the RSI is going to be down here. So as we see down here, we can see that the RSI is displayed as an oscillator and can have a reading of 0 to 100. So while using a 14 period default RSI of 30 or below is a signal for an oversold or undervalued asset, and an RSI of 70 or above is a signal for an overbought or undervalued asset. And always remember that whenever I say asset, I'm talking about the product which you're trading, which is either stocks, commodities, ETFs, forex currency, etc. So how do the basic building blocks of the RSI work? So essentially the RSI is going to rise as the number and size of positive closes increase, and they will fall as the number and size of losses increase. So as we can see here, we're looking at Tesla. We can see here that the RSI does indicate a level over 70, which is a signal for an overbought asset. We can see as soon as it did touch the overvalued line of the RSI, it did go into a downtrend shortly after that. Likewise, we see here that it did go under 30, and once it went under 30, we see that it slowly went into an uptrend, which showed that it was an undervalued stock at the time. So one of the great things about the RSI indicator is that it is good for pairing it up together with trend lines, because it does have important buy or sell signals, as trend lines for both price and RSI are broken within a relatively short period of time. So as you can see here, we're looking at a small cap ETF. We see that the RSI is indicating an overbought signal here, and we do see that it breaks the 10 SMA line. And once that does happen, once you pair up the RSI with another indicator, we see that it does signal us that it is going to be an exit point, as this ETF is going to go down in price. And once we see the RSI indicates it and it does break this SMA line, we see that it does go into a downtrend and actually uses the SMA line as a resistance point, as it keeps testing it multiple times before going down into its most low at 54.7, which the indicator is now indicating that it is actually oversold. So once the indicator actually shows that it's oversold, and then you see another trend reversal with the SMA line, we see that it once again goes up in value, and it actually uses the SMA line now as a support. So as you can see, once the SMA line was actually used as a resistance after the trend reversal, it is now used as a support. It does show you how powerful the RSI can be when it's paired with many other technical indicators in order to confirm your trades. So now we are going to look at another stock and show you guys another example. So as you can see here, it is showing another overbought condition, as the RSI does go over the 70, and it tells you, hey, this stock is overbought and has the potential for another trend reversal. So as you can see, once it does go up here, it actually does break the SMA line and actually decides to go on a downtrend, which was previously indicated by this RSI. So as you can see, this downtrend keeps going down and down under the SMA line until it starts signaling an oversold condition right around here. So once this oversold condition is signaled, it does let you confirm it once this breaks the SMA line and goes above it, and kind of uses this as a support zone. So as you can see, the RSI is very powerful once it is actually paired with other indicators in order to confirm your trades and judgments on the potential of a stock either going up or down, and does help you confirm certain trades in order to use your own buy and sell signals. So once again, the RSI indicator is a momentum indicator, which is just one of the many tools in your arsenal for technical analysis, which you can incorporate in your trading strategies, and should not solely be used as buying or selling points, but rather using coordination with other technical tools. And as you can see, I was using the RSI paired along with the SMA, which is actually a 10 SMA line. And if you guys actually would like to learn more about different technical indicators, go ahead and watch my other tutorials provided on my channel. So I hope you guys gained valuable content and I was able to earn your like. Be sure to subscribe for more content similar to this. Thank you all for watching, and God bless you all. I'll see you guys in the next video.